Guten Tag, Dr. Victor von Deriak here. Today our experiment will determine whether it is possible to use a fond atheist to assess Mr. Landry. As before, Herr Holding will assist me. Herr Holding?
Hey, Holding, what's the deal with these verses and wealth? Is Jesus contradicting the Old Testament or what? Nah, don't answer that. I know he is.
No, you don't know anything. First of all, remember that those first two verses are from a poem and a list of proverbs. So by nature, their genre package indicates that you can't use them with iron literalism. Beyond that, the rich young ruler is clearly one who does not fear the Lord, as shown by his comical assertion that he has kept all the commandments since he was a child. When he said that he'd rather not give away his wealth for the sake of following a prophet whose ministry he supposedly believed to be founded of God, he showed himself to be a violator of the most important commands against idolatry.
Our experiment is a success. We were able to use a fond atheist dry clean und press these pants. They took the creases out of them though. Auf Wiedersehen.